Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggless bagels at home. Mix flour, yeast, salt, sugar, and warm water into a sticky dough, then knead until smooth. Let the dough rest, divide into portions, and shape into firm rings. Briefly boil each bagel to set the crust, then bake until golden brown. Finish with toppings like sesame or everything seasoning and cool on a rack before slicing. Make each bagel the same size so they bake evenly. Weigh or eyeball portions for uniformity. Flatten a ball, poke a hole, and stretch while rotating to create a neat ring. Boil with a splash of baking soda to develop that classic chewy crust and sheen, flipping once. Drain on a towel, add your chosen toppings, then transfer to the oven and bake until the tops are golden and set. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful cooking videos. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for the kitchen, playing music, setting multiple timers, and answering hands-free questions while you shape bagels. It's small, smart, and blends into any countertop setup with great sound. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose toppings that complement your breakfast or sandwich style, and press them gently onto boiled bagels so they stick. A water brush or light syrup glaze helps seeds and seasonings cling during baking. Experiment with flavors like sesame, everything, or cinnamon sugar for sweet variations. Cool bagels briefly to allow the crumb to set, then slice with a serrated knife and enjoy warm with spreads or fillings of your choice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.